Welcome back to the channel and back to the shop. I've got this tailpipe right here that goes in my nice shiny red CRX, and it just literally just broken right off the muffler. So I'm gonna run over to the muffler place and try to have this fixed, see if they can weld this back on. The car's already in the box, I've got to load the trailer, but while I do that, check out Mark. He's been working with BelleNova and heading out to the racetrack, and I'll see you guys over at the muffler place.
Welcome back, guys. We're back at the shop, but we're in the box tonight. Getting BelleNova ready for the race that I plan on going to tomorrow. Rowe Racing, we're taking BelleNova out. Going to do some bracket racing again tomorrow. We've been running better and better and better. Came out tonight to change the plugs in it. Want to make sure it's running as best as I can get it for tomorrow. Hoping for a little bit better times and a little bit better, quicker ETs. But also some round wins would be nice. We're changing the plugs tonight. This is the driver side setup. A little sooty. I personally thought the car might have been leaning out on the top, which it still may be, but I'm no plug reader. I just guess and go, guys. That's, you know, if you haven't been seeing that. The new set's already in. That didn't take long. Super easy to knock that out. These new set of headers that I've got, it's easier than the cheap set of headers I had before. Could get to most of the plugs super quick and easy. It's still a little finagling to get in there at times. But the fluid's checked, plugs changed. All that's really left to do is wake up tomorrow and go to the track. The car's strapped down. I'm ready. You ready? We got everything ready last night. We're hooked up. We're rolling out. Austin's coming today. Let's start heading that way.
I'm just pulling up to the muffler place. I'm gonna get the car unloaded and we can hopefully actually get this thing welded up, no problem. Sort of backed into this spot here. Let's get out and take a look, see if I have enough room to get the car unloaded. I'm not real sure. Yeah, it looks like I should be able to just unload it right here into the grass, whip around, and take it right across the street over here to the muffler place. By now, Marcus made it to the racetrack.
Made it out to the track today, guys. It is early out here still, and there's quite a few cars out here. We'll go look around in a little bit, but we made it out today. We're going to try to run top racing again, just like we've done before, and we'll see how it goes. But first, as usual, we got to get the car out. Flying solo today. We're out here at KDS to run this bracket race today with BelleNova, and we're going to hope to do the best we can and maybe get a personal best again and go a few rounds. It is packed out here, y'all. It's packed. Another great turnout at KDS. A couple hundred cars out here at least. Let's see how the day goes. I got everything ready, set up on old Belle. She's sitting on as much keel as it is, and we'll see how we go. That's time trial should go well. We'll see.
This is where the tailpipe is no good on the back right here. It's supposed to have 2, and you can see that this one only has 1. So I'm gonna have Ashley weld in the other pipe because it just literally just broke off the muffler. I don't know if we can get into there. Yeah, you see the hole there? It literally just broke right off the muffler and was dangling down. And some of the clips you can see it on Tail of the Dragon. I'll show you. See it right here dangling down? Yeah, I was like, oh no. I ripped it off so it didn't hit anybody, and we are here now to get it fixed. I've got to grab the pipe out of the trailer there, throw it in the car, and then we'll whip right across the street here to the muffler place. Tuck it in here somewhere. There it is. It's weird. It feels like a broken leg or an arm that's missing. Let's get it put back on. We literally have to just go across the street. I'll just leave it out here right now and see what Ashley wants to do with it.
Up in the lanes for the first time trial of the day. We only get 1. I turned the lever up a little bit. We're gonna run this fell right here, just time trial. So just a little bit of a side-by-side time trial run. We'll see how it goes. I'm either red or way late, so we'll go with what we got. 650 with a 5 puts us at the fastest time with Bell. I did turn the lever up. That's probably what did it, left a little harder. Might even turn up a little more. Probably gonna ride that 650 for the day and go. New personal best, 650 at 103 miles an hour. That is awesome. Keep going. The temperature might drop. It might pick up a little more. We'll see what it does. I've definitely got to get better off the tree if I plan on turning on the wind light today. Austin and I are sitting out here. We've all been talking in the trailer. And I think we're going to write a 648 on it. Mom wants a 47. Dad wanted slow. And me and Austin are on the 50. So we're going to write 648 as I dial in and hope to pick up a little bit. first round coming up. We're down to 648. What's your name, bud?
Matthew.
Matthew.
Yeah.
We're running Matthew first round in his Nova, down in a 737. We've agreed to split buyback, so we'll see how it goes after. Got us the first round win. Down to 48, ran a 47, broke out and went red, but the guy we were racing went a little redder. He left first. So that gave us the win light. Second round coming up.
And that's how I like it, how it's supposed to be. Got our little repair done. I'm gonna load this thing back up in the box. Just strap down the front, then we can get out of here. These are some old seatbelt pads that went on your shoulder like back in the 90s. Integra Type R, you know, you were really cool if you had a seatbelt pad. I still have them because I put them on my refrigerator to keep the door handle clean, oddly enough. But I think that this is probably their best use. This keeps my tires and keeps my rims perfect. Here, see, look. Like that. Now I just use them to keep my rims fresh. CRX is back in the box and it looks like Mark is killing it out there. Way to go, buddy. Next round.
Second round of elimination. Got Mr. Dallas Cherry right here in this beautiful Camaro. What you dialing?
Yeah, 581.
We're gonna dial a 581. We'll see what it goes. Did not get to record that pass, which all of the video tonight has been very shaky. If you've seen it, if you're using it, sorry, I tried. I don't have my GoPros and all that stuff. We just lost in the second round. What happened was, what happened is, when I rolled in, I barely liked the second bulb. I went on the trans brake, the car rolled backwards on the trans brake. So when it did that, it backed me out of the beam and threw me red. So I went driver error. I'm gonna call it tonight. At the same time, I think that we're still running personal best today of a 647. We still won a round. Count that as something. And you know, we had a great time as always. And Austin always has a good time out here. We're gonna start getting everything ready, loaded up. I couldn't pull another W out. Racing's racing.
So I made it back to the shop and I've got the truck off the trailer and I'm out here actually in the box with the CRX. I'm gonna put the cover on it out here because I'm just kind of bougie like that and I don't really have any room inside the garage right now from the other projects that we were working on. But it looked like Mark had a really great day out there at the track. Too bad he didn't make that last round, but he should be back in his shop right now. So let's just check in with him and see how his day went.
Back in the shop, BelleNova back in her spot. We're gonna just keep doing it. If a race opens up, I'm gonna try to go hit it up with that. We got some other cars we're gonna try to wrap up. Spare parts I really wanna get done soon. Crossing my fingers, some things might work out for that. We did pretty good, won a round. Pleased with what the car did. Overall, I can say that the Torque Storm is working really well right now. Can't be more pleased with how race day went. Always a pleasure.
Cover back on. Thanks for hanging out with us on another one. And until we see you on the next one,
Stay man.
I'm man Ashley hooking it up again.
The double, damn it. We won that one. Got us a white slip. One is one, and the damn guy on the radio. Let's hope we do get that.
Perfect.